How's it, guys? Welcome back to Speaker Nawe. So, dala sikhuluma into eyi-1 siqagela but-ke iGagasi FM likhiphe i-line-up ka-2026 isizini entsha and khona amagama abasakazi abangaveli nje. So, umuntu ongithusile kakhulu uSimphiwe Dladla okade enza uhlelo le-sport laphana benoMark Makhaba, and uSimphiwe usehlalile kakhulu eGagasini nje. I think wafika maybe 2 years liqalile iGagasi laphana, so umuntu usehlale kakhulu, so akwaziwa ukuthi ngoba engekho eGagasini ukuthi mhlambe uzo-announce kwenye indawo, but ngiyasola ngathi ukhozi mhlambe limzingelele lamthola lona. But-ke umuntu okade ngikhulume ngawo Felix Hlophe bengathi uyahamba eGagasini, uyavela kuyinhlelo ezintsha laphana, usahleli kuluhlelo lakhe laphana i-breakfast. I think indaba ezinhleke lezo because besibamba umoya ngempela and besolahlekelwa ngempela ngokuhamba kwaleya ndoda yamahlaya laphana. uLinda Spear-ke nje wasasenza ivideo kuqala unyaka ngoJanuwari ukuthi Ukhozi FM lingamqasha ngabe kuyi-movie right-ke bamqashile bamnikeza ishow yasekuseni i-hour 5 to 6 naneshow le yaSunday-ke le izoqala ngo-6 iphele ngo-10. I think yona show izozwa abantu abaningi ngoba during the day, and I think indaba ezinhle-ke for i-radio nje for iGagasi FM siliqashe uLinda Spear ukuthi ebe-part of i-brand-ke, even though ithola islot sa-1 hour ekuseni, but I think uLinda ubhizi nezitini, maybe leya slot senze sense kuyena even financially mhlawumbe khona into abadiscusse ngayo. Omunye umuntu engathi ukhalelwe yizembe uKhaya Mthetho laphana okade enza uhlelo noSoniki. uKhaya Mthetho akabonakala endleleni ezintsha, uSoniki bamsusile bawumuva kwamanye amashow laphana because le slot ede besenza sesewenziwa uMzobe noLuyanda Khambula obekade ekhona eGagasi FM, but uMzo wayekhona eGagasi wahamba, so bambuyisile kule season entsha. I think uhlelo leli lathola 2-3 olunye uhlelo luzoba strong because uMzo omunye umuntu o-creative ngale ndlela eyisimanga, so I'm happy ke umlaleli weGagasi ukuthi ngibona uMzokolo ke buya. But engiphathe kabi kakhulu because there is one guy okade eyistar bembuilda lapha, and bengibona ukuthi omunye umuntu ozoba big when it's come to i-radio in years to come, especially kuGagasi FM because indlela kaGudi ngayo la u-creative ngale ndlela, u-create content, u-DJ Spay Live. So DJ Spay Live naye akabonakala enhlelweni ezintsha zokhozi FM, so awaziwa-ke mhlawumbe nawo Ukhozi limzingelile lamthola. Yabona uma ukuthi Ukhozi lithola uSpay, I think hayi bayobe bawinile lapho bagadle wazwakala lapho. So sabalaleli-ke I think especially le show yango-Saturday ibizwa nge-Saturday breakfast ekade yenza laphana u-6 to 10 6 to 9 bayareduce hour yayo 6 to 10 then bayenza 6 to 9. I think iyona nje show kakhulu ekade imsuthe kakhulu. Khona le esibile yenze ngo-Sunday 6 to 10 i-shutdown nomhlaba nayo uzokhumuleka kakhulu laphana. Isikhala sakhe uzothatha isikhathi eside ukuthi sivaleke, but-ke eredweni ikhala hlezi zivalwa. But futhi athiwa Ukhozi, I think ngoba i-career yakhe ibisaqala laphana bengabi let big, I think kube kuyi-move enkulu kakhulu kwi-career yakhe. Mhlawumbe engafike ibathathe naye babeke level because ugude kakhulu when it come to lezi zinto zoku-DJ nama-mix, u-inside le industry ama-mix laphana because uKing Sfiso naye the time emove eGagasini I think babemlandela naye lonto ama-event because waye-tap in, and I think right now umuntu o-tap in more than uKing Sfiso uSpay. So eGagasini I think angafike be-edition. So nje izo-ke inhlelo engiyibonile lezo, and omunye umntwana okade yenza i-podcast laphana eGagasi laphana i-Elevate bani uSithabile uMazubane upromotiwe-ke loyo because ubade enza i-podcast kuphela ubengenalo uhlelo lasemoyeni, so bamsusile laphana. I'm not sure bamsusile usazoyenza i-podcast, but-ke uneweza ishow le kade yenziwa uLuyanda Khambula le engene ngo-10 ebusuku iphele ngo-1. I think yena nguyena umuntu owine kakhulu because uzoba nama-shows awu-5 ephinde ebe ne-podcast ekade ewumuntu oshuthi i-podcast yabe ishuthi I think 2 times a month, so isalary yakhe inyuke ngempela. So izona-ke inhlelo-ke i-announcile. Yeah, I think angikhali kakhulu engithusa nje la DJ Spay noSimphiwe, but uSimphiwe I think uthola amadlela ahlaza because usemkantshubovu uSimphiwe. uMark Makhaba uvele-ke ubekade enza ishow noSimphiwe, but I don't think ubedinga nale giga seGagasini because imali yakhe lwamdala kudala yenza. So nje yeah, sivala lapho-ke sazobona kwezinye indawo, but hayi seqalile selidumela adlula nabo, so zikhala ku-loud-ke manje eredweni. So anyway, sekhona ku-Twitter ithi Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-Facebook Speaker Nawe, sibe khona ku-TikTok c.speaker nawe. We out.